How to turn off voice to text on iPhone. Let's get started. Voice to text is such kind of feature that will allow your voice to be converted into text automatically. Let me show you how. First, launch any of the messaging app. Now, over here you're gonna find this microphone icon. You have to click on it. Click on Enable Dictation. Now speak anything. It will be converted into text in this way. Now you are able to send it. If you want to turn off this feature, what you have to do is close this. Launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Keyboard. Here you're going to find Defense section. Under Dictation, you'll find the option of Enable Dictation. Now toggle off for this option. Click on Turn off Dictation. Now I can close this. Launch your messaging app and check. This feature will be disabled. So this is how you can easily turn off voice to text on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.